Hi guys, so this video I'll show you how to change the audio settings. So you can see there is a DSP app. So you can choose change the audio settings from this. Okay. So you can change the settings you want. Okay, if the car has a factory installed audio system, you also need to change the settings, car settings, factory settings. Input password 126. Okay, compass. So you must make sure the CAN box setting is set 8 and the amplifier mode, choose this one. Okay, so thanks for watching.